Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add a custom domain to your ShopBase store. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store. So go to Google and type in shopbase.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to ShopBase if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us. So as you can see in the left side of the screen, we have the home, orders, products, fulfillment analytics. We have the marketing and sales, contact, app settings, and the online store. And we have your shop name in the bottom left corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add a custom domain to your ShopBase store. So if you purchase your domain through the ShopBase, there is no need to configure the DNS settings. If you have a third-party domain, you'll need to add the following DNS records. A record points to 52.10.27.176. The name record points to connect.shopbase.com. You need to connect your domain, so navigate to the online store. So when you're here, you just need to click on the online store, which is in the bottom side of the screen, as you can see. Then click on domains, which is the last thing here, as you can see. If you haven't purchased a domain, click buy new domain and follow the instructions. If you already have a domain, click connecting existing domain and enter your domain name. Then set as primary domain. So once connected, you can set your custom domain as the primary domain by clicking change primary domain and saving the changes. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. As guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything. Bye guys.